Do you know, without reading a single book or going for a formal class, you can strengthen your three sub skills. Those sub skills are communication, problem solving, and creativity. How can you do this? If you love traveling, then automatically you will gain all these three sub skills. Okay? Therefore, our today's topic is traveling, TMIR, and 10 benefits. What is this TMIR? The acronym is T stands for tourism, M stands for migration, I for immigration, and R for refugee. Hello, I am Nandini Das, academician, author. So, our today's topic is traveling, TMIR, and 10 benefits of it. Let me explain each term. Traveling is when you move from one place to another place with a purpose. Then tourism is your purpose of movement is only for enjoyment or for business. Then M for migration. Migration is within the country when people move from one province to another province, one city to another city for business, studies, job, etc. And immigration, I for immigration, is when people move for a long period or long term from one country to another country. Migration from one country to another country is immigration. Then refugee, when some calamities occur like hurricane, political savagery, then what happens? People have to move from one place to another place, but that is legitimate. Yet, what happens? Unfortunately, some people, out of their ignorance or their evil intention, they mix up everything and make a hype out of it, make propaganda out of it, like that. Anyway, now we know that there's traveling, tourism, migration, immigration, refugee. All add a new flavor to your life, right? Therefore, let's discuss the 10 benefits. So, number one benefit of this traveling is it takes you out of your comfort zone. When you stay in one place for years, you accustomed to that place, then you don't dare to go out of your comfort zone because you know everybody or your lifestyle is settled there. So when you travel, everything you have to experience everything new. So traveling makes you out of your comfort zone. That means it enhances your personality. And number two is it makes you get out of the boredom. When you live in one place, your life becomes boring. But when you travel, you experience new things. You also improve new interests. So your life goes out of boredom. Then number three is traveling gives you education. Means it's not like in class education, but it teaches you more than that. Traveling gives you life lessons which is necessary in your career, so also personal life, because you meet different people, you gain so many know-how, knowledge. Then number four is diversity and inclusion. When you travel, you meet people from different culture, different language, different lifestyle, you experience different types of food, all those things. So diversity, what it makes you more tolerant, teaches you to be more tolerant, to understand each other, right? Because before, when you are one place, you knew that what is I am doing or in my environment, surrounding people doing, that is right. But when you travel, you experience new things, you know that how diversity and inclusion is important in your life. Wait, On this topic, I have another video, that is diversity at workplace, that is also beneficial. I will give the link in below and you can watch that. Then number 5, when you travel, number 5 is when you travel, you get new ideas. You get to know different people. So you can, what you can do, you exchange your ideas with them, right? Then number 6. Number 6 is you become self-reliant. Traveling makes you self-reliant. When you stay in one place with your family, with your friends, known people, you become a kind of parasite. You depend on others for everything. But when you travel, you take all your decisions, from choosing food to living to where to go, which sightseeing places you will go, what to do. You take so many spontaneous decisions, so that makes you self-reliant. Then number 7. Number 7 is it makes your mind light, stress-free. All of you have some problems in life, right? But when you travel, what you do, your stress go away. In a new place, everything new, your stress go away. Then you freshen up your mind and you start new, right? Therefore, sometimes doctors also advise to change the place. Then number 9. Number 9 is number 8 is traveling may increase your networking. When you travel, you meet so many people, different types of people, and so it may increase your networking. Then number 9 is traveling increases economic transaction, right? When you go from one place to another place, what you do, you spend your money, so you are contributing to the economy of that place you are traveling, right? You know that around the world, tourism and travel industry is a most profitable industry. Then number 10, the most important thing is traveling creates employability. When you travel, there are so many sectors are used in traveling, that is hotel, hospitality, travel agency, communication, local art and craft, everything. So what happens in these sectors, people get more employment, right? So anyhow, this is traveling, tourism, migration, immigration and refugee, all add new taste to your life, right? But yes, while traveling, you need money to spend on it. But you can earn money to go for traveling, and what benefit you get from that, using that you can earn money while traveling or after traveling or the place you are traveling, right? If there is a will, there is a way. So you can find your way. Don't be lazy. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment box. Give a thumbs up to my video. Share it with your friends and relatives and subscribe my channel. I'll come with another interesting topic next time. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice time. After this epidemic, happy travel. See you next time.